Total sale amount £35, total affiliate earning £26 with only 4 sales. This is a simple affiliate marketing strategy that you can do to make money online. This is one of the affiliate program, Canva, and then you can see there's other affiliate program inside this network. Actually, this network is called impact.com. So when you joined with the affiliate program of Canva or InVideo or Placit, inside it you can have a multiple brand that you can apply for it, get approved, and you can promote these offers under one single platform and you can make money from it. So you can see all you have to do, click apply, and you need to apply that. If they ask a website, provide that. If they ask social media following, give the information how you're going to promote it, and you will get approved. And under the brand section, if you click my brand, then you can see the how many brand that approved your application. So you can see these 3 are approved my applications. You can see under the apply section, you can see the how many brand you applied for it. And if you click all brands, it will show you the how many brands that you can apply in this network. So you can go straight away to impact.com to register, and you can do it inside it. Or all you have to do is register with Canva affiliate program. Then it will automatically take you to impact.com, where you can apply for other network and you can promote it. This is not important part. The important part, how you can make money from it. So you can see over 740 clicks, 4 actions, and £35 in sale amount, and £26 in affiliate commission. Now you have to remember this: with affiliate program, using a free method, it will take a while, but again you can make a passive income. So there are a number of ways that you can promote this affiliate program. One of the best way is YouTube, guys. Again, most of this brand has a free trials before you pay for it. For example, even though you join the affiliate program, you can't promote this product unless you know what this product about. So in order to try and use this product, you need to buy it. Most of them have a free trial, or free, you can create free account with it. For example, for the Canva, you can create a free account with it. For my make money online method, I use Canva more often, so that's why I'm promoting it. Like you can see, this is one of my recent videos. I talk about Canva on that. So you can see resources used or discussed, Canva. This is my affiliate link. So what you have to do is you can join a network or brand that has a free trial or free account. You sign up for it, and you can use that free trial to create a free tutorial. For example, if you search for Canva tutorial on YouTube, you can see this is vidIQ tools. There's a link in the description. You can get the vidIQ and the TBuddy, and you can see on vidIQ it will give you the score around. It's a low competitive keywords and highly, you can say the search volume is high. So you can easily create a different type of tutorial around Canva. You can see this person create a tutorial on Canva, nearly 500,000 nearly 500,000 views, guys. Imagine that, how many people click the affiliate link and sign up for account with it. And if they upgraded for pro account, this person make money online. You can still do the same thing with, if you don't want to create a tutorial video, you can go to Medium to write a simple blog post or tutorial about Canva. You can see this person did simple tutorial in the format of blog post. It doesn't matter, you don't need to have any website. Then you can see nearly 895 people liked it. Even imagine 10 people buy the subscription. So you can see with the 4 people, I'm making around $26 and £26. With the 10 people, I can roughly make around 60 to 70 pounds from it, guys. Simple and easy method. All you need is you need to register with this any brand that you are interested in, and make sure this brand have a free trial, or you can able to create free account with it. Use that, create a simple tutorial, upload it on YouTube, put the link in the description. Again, if you don't want to create a tutorial videos, don't worry, you can create a simple blog post and publish it on medium.com, and you can make money from it. Again, when you publish article on medium.com, you can also register with partner program for Medium, so you can earn money from Medium as well. When your article starts to get more views, then Medium will share the earning with you guys, so you can make additional income from your blog post. Again, one of the product I'm still using is called Placit. I'm using for my print on demand business. Basically, what this website is, you can create the designs, you can create free mockups. Now I'm going to make a simple tutorial on my YouTube channels. I'm going to put this link. So for example, if I go to my impact.com, you can see this is the affiliate link. So if I click open that, and I already approved for this network, click this one, go create link, and this is the affiliate link. Just copy it. After you create the tutorial, upload the video on YouTube and put it on your affiliate link over there. You can promote the same videos on TikTok, Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook. You can put the affiliate link. This is a free organic traffic method. So again, guys, you will generate views every single day and month throughout the years, and you can make a passive income from this. So this is simple and easy affiliate marketing method to make money online. Guys, if you want to watch video like this one, how to make money from affiliate marketing or free traffic for affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, ways to make money online, show your support by liking this video, subscribe to my channels, leave a comment, guys, what kind of video you want to watch in the futures, or if you like this video, guys. And that, have a good day. See you next video.